Hello, hello. I am back with some For Honor content because I can't be asked to be productive. That's the important one. So yeah, I'm playing some games right now. I forgot to find some music, so for the first round, without music, I hope that's okay. I'll find some lo-fi after. Ah, that was shit. Really? Really? Damn. Just attacked me from the side. I wasn't ready at all, not gonna lie. Sometimes these games start too quick for me. And my boy is apologizing. It's okay, I'll destroy this guy. Destroyed. Destroyed. Where's the other guy? Come to me then. I'm not going. Okay. No, I'm dead. At least he's one shot you. Just attack him, right? Yeah. Fuck him. Fuck him. Okay, yeah, this is not hard at all.
Round 4.
Ugh, I can't parry it. Okay, I got destroyed. And he's down. Okay, this is gonna be closer than expected. Yeah.
Round 5.
Destroyed. Destroyed. Oh, where's the other guy? Down there. Destroyed. Let's go. I can't do this. Alright. Next up, some music. Okay, I promise. We are back. Some lo-fi in the background. Keeping it chill, keeping it nice. Ready? This guy is sick, bro. I like this guy. I'm messaging with my teammate, that doesn't usually happen. Oh, he parried. Oh, Fez, he's one shot. That's okay. He's one shot. Okay. Let's destroy this other guy.
Round 3.
Oi. Destroy. This was actually a bit too easy. Okay. Next one is coming up. Let's go.
Round 1.
Wasn't easy, but I managed.
Round 2.
that sucks.
Round three.
Boom. They destroyed us previous round, we destroyed them this round. It's like a win is never promised. Oh, it's nice sun outside. I want to go out and smoke, but the sun will disappear in like 5 minutes again.
Round four.
Easy. And an execution. Easy, bro.
Victory.
I'm with the same teammate as before. We're gonna thrash these peeps again. What does that mean? I don't know what this number here means. Oh well.
Victory. Round two.
What the hell was that? I love it when they don't even manage to hit me once. That's a flex. That's a flex.
Victory.
He's doing the same thing over and over again. It's a bit boring when it's too easy. Damn, 3-0. That's it, we won. Okay, we're back with this guy because soon enough, hopefully after this match, I'm gonna be able to prestige him. He'll be my first prestige, funnily enough. It's because of the XP boost that they give. He's the free character, but I did end up buying him. He's sick. I like him. Let's go. Big game, big damage. What cathedral? What did it do? What did it do? Okay. You captured. Okay.
It's okay.
It's captured. Okay, bro, don't hit me. I need some help. Easy, quick start to the game. Ah, there's 3 of them. Fuck. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, that's some full weight that I couldn't handle, bro. 3 guys? 3? You expect me to handle 3 guys? I have 2 hands. Let's get this bitch back on track. Come here, bitch, come here, bitch, come here. Okay. Revive me, please, Archon. What? That's bullshit. Nah, you're not capturing it, bitch. I see you. I see you. What, bro? He just skipped some frames. Oh, they have 2 bots. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. Another easy game at least. I'm getting my XP. guy is just burping in the background. Is he surviving? No. There's only one guy left.
You lost Zone A.
You lost Zone A. I'm so bad at parrying. Oh, my reaction is too fast. I have to wait for it to like.
You lost Zone C.
Okay. Oh, there's still enemies? What?
You captured Zone C.
You captured Zone. Oh, that's it. GG.
Victory.
How did I get the least amount? Okay. I reached 1 reputation. Hey, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty. Damn, how much XP did I get? What? Oh, I actually have cosmetics now. Should I dress up my guy? Customize, let's go. Let's make him cool. Okay, Austin. Why are there I don't know if it recorded, but check my guy out. Leopard print, big eyes. I customized him. He's looking much better, much cooler now. With a spiky fucking trident. For sure. Now let's go get the game started. Another one to win, and then I'll leave it at that for now. The game started and I don't know, I was sleeping. We're here then. I died? What the fuck happened there? How are they already at 6 takedowns? Huh? Did I join late? I think I did. Yeah. I joined a late game. This is... Okay, let me go capture some. I'll go backstab them.
You captured Zone C. You captured Zone A. You lost Zone C.
Hehe. The other guy just ran away. I'm destroying them, bro. I'm destroying them, bro. Can I capture this already?
You captured Zone C.
I'm destroying them, bro. Oh, he's just reviving them? That sucks. What? Can you stop? Okay, this guy cancelled my attack 3 fucking times. Okay, we're catching up though. I'm actually helping this team out. Okay. There is a chance. Be lost. Can you not? What? What just happened? He dropped on me. What? Ah, fuck off. Oh, I don't like that guy.
Team is ready.
I don't like fighting on A. That sucks. I'll capture C. What the fuck? Okay, I'm dead. Imagine being such a tryhard. I did my best. I did what I can, which is not much. running to jump off a cliff, or what's... What is happening? GG, man, GG. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll do another one, but if not, bye bye.